So you've gotten married and said, I do. You've gone on your honeymoon, and now you and your spouse are ready to start your lives together. But there's one more critical step that you need to take, and that is securing your spouse's legal status. You're getting ready to start your applications and you're wondering how best to go about it. Before you start, here are a few things that I wish that everyone knew about the marriage-based green card process. It's not just about paperwork and filling out the forms. USCIS wants to see a real strategy, they want to see a real relationship, and they want to see that this is a real marriage, not just one that was entered into for convenience so that someone can stay in the country and get a green card. First mistake, thinking it's just paperwork and forms. It's not just about paperwork and forms. I know you may have talked to people who said it's easy, fill out the forms, give them a few pictures, and case solved, voila. It's really not that. There needs to be a strategy. Number 2, not submitting enough evidence. Evidence matters. It's not enough to submit your application with forms and a few pictures and a marriage license and think that's okay. That's definitely not enough. USCIS wants to see that you are making plans or have started commingling your lives together. Joint bank accounts, filing taxes together, your lease together, bought a house together. It may look like a lot of different things. It's not a one size fits all. Now, if you haven't been together long enough or for a certain amount of time, or your spouse is not able to get certain documents because they don't have a social security number or anything else like that, you are going to have to get creative. Third, making the mistake of thinking that your case is going to be like everyone else's case. Immigration is not a one size fits all. I know your uncles, fathers, brothers, cousins said that this is how they did it and so you should do it this way. It's not like that. Your case with your spouse is unique. Your lives are unique. Your story is unique. So before you head to Google to start Googling how this should work, or you head to ChatGPT or Reddit, pause, take a step back, and look at your relationship. Look at your story. That is what you want to tell to USCIS. You want to share your story, you want to share your relationship, and you want to demonstrate the fact that you are in this for the right reasons. Now, if you're confused about any part of this process, you are not quite sure, you're not quite feeling confident because you know you want to get this right on the first try, rather than Google or ChatGPT or that well-meaning friend, I suggest you contact a lawyer. If you have questions about the process and you know you're ready to get started, click the link in my bio and book your consultation so that we can get the steps started to finalize and get your spouse their green card so that you guys can move forward and build your version of the American dream.